warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, Shalom, Om Namo Buddhaya, salam sejahtera untuk kita semua, and salam harmoni. Hello, introducing myself, my name is Wildati with study number 2113011-018. I'm from class 4C Math Education. Okay, I will explanation material about sequence and series. This is table of context discussing the material. First explanation about sequence. Sequence consisting of arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence. And next explanation about series. Series consisting of arithmetic series and geometric series. Okay, for the first explanation is sequence. What is sequence? Sequence. A sequence is a set numbers in which the numbers have prescribed order. Example in finite sequence, the list of positive odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. We use symbol a sub n to denote the end term of a given sequence. Example finite sequence, the list of positive odd numbers less than 100. 1, 3, 5, 7, 99. Okay, sequence divided into two. The first is arithmetic sequence. A linear arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which its successive terms differs by the same amount. An arithmetic sequence has the form a plus d, a plus 2 times d, a plus 3 times d, a plus 4 times d, where each term is obtained from the preceding one by adding a constant called the common difference, often represented by the symbol d. Formula for the n terms of an arithmetic sequence is a sub n equals a plus n negative 1 times d, where a sub n is n term of the sequence, a is first terms of the sequence, n is numbers of terms, and d is common difference. Okay, next is geometric sequence. A geometric sequence is a sequence in which every number in the sequence is equal to previous number is the sequence multiplied by another constant number. A geometric sequence has the form a times r, a times r square, a times r cubic, in which each term is obtained from the preceding one by multiplying by a constant called the common ratio and often represented by the symbol r. Formula the n term of a geometric sequence is a sub n equals a times r the power of n negative 1, where a sub n is n term of the sequence, a is first term of the sequence, r is common ratio, and n is number of terms is the sequence. Okay, the next explanation material about series. What is the series? Series is the encapsulated sum of a sequence of numbers. A finite series is the sum of the terms of a finite sequence. Thus, if a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub n is a sequence of n terms, then the corresponding series is a sub 1 plus a sub 2 plus plus a sub n. The numbers a sub e is referred to as the eight terms of the series. We often use the sigma notation for series. The sum of infinite series is a sub 1 plus a sub 2 plus a sub n. This is sometimes called the n-partial sum of the infinite series. The series divided into two. Number one is arithmetic series. An arithmetic series is a series in which the terms form an arithmetic sequence. That is, each term is obtained from the preceding one by adding a constant. Formulas for arithmetic series is the sum of n equals n divided by 2 multiplied by a sub 1 plus a sub n. Also, the sum of n equals n divided by 2 multiplied a sub 1 plus n negative 1 times d, where the sum of n is sum of n terms, n is numbers of terms, a sub 1 is first terms, a sub n is n terms, and d is common difference. Number 2 is geometric series. A geometric series is the sum of the terms of a geometric sequence. If the numbers of terms in the geometric sequence is finite, the sum of terms is called a finite geometric series. If not, the series is infinite. The formula for the sum of a finite geometric series is the sum of n equals the sum from I equals 1 to n of a times r to the power of a negative 1 equals a multiplied by 1 negative r to the power of n divided by 1 negative r when r is not equals 1. Next, the formula for the sum of an infinite geometric series is the sum of n. This equals the sum from a equals 1 to infinite of a times r to the power of a negative 1 equals a divided 1 negative r, when the absolute value of r more of r is less than 1. If the absolute value of r more than equals 1, then the infinite series does not have a sum, where the sum of n is sum of first n terms. A is first terms, r is ratio, and n number of terms. Okay, the first example is arithmetic sequence. Say you and three friends decide to study for maths, and you are seated at a square table. A few minutes later, two other friends join you and would like to sit at your table and help you study. Naturally, you move another table and add it to the existing now. Now, 6 of you sit at the table. Another 2 of your friends join your table, and you take a third table and add it to the existing tables. Now, 4 of you can sit comfortably. Let's assume this pattern continues, and we tabulate what is happening. And next, this is the answer of example arithmetic sequence. Okay, next example is geometric sequence. Let's assume you have the flu virus and you forgot to cover your mouth when two friends come to visit while you were sick in bed. They leave the next day. They also have the flu. Let's assume that they in turn spread the virus to 2 of their friends by the same droplet spread the following day. Let's assume this pattern continues and each person infects two other friends. We can represent in this event in the following manner. Okay, this is the answer of example geometric sequence. You can see answer in slide. Okay, that's all I can say. Thank you and see you soon.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Santi 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 Om. Shalom Om Namo Buddhaya. Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua and salam harmoni.